I wonder what it could be.
I knew it was. I knew.
What a cute bag.
What's inside? Ooh. What about it?
Cool.
Ooh.
I love those.
Wow. Those are fun.
Jesus.
Everybody's favorite.
More snack
Rich
stuff.
Chips Ahoy. 3 bags of snacks.
Can I have your birthday present?
Whoa.
I have
What's
that.
in it?
Bubble gum.
Yeah, you'll need that.
More gum.
More gum. To do your Mad Libs with.
Looks like you got like a whole load of
Figure out
stuff.
a theme to all of that.
What do we have here? Snacks. Things to draw with.
Birthday party.
Libs. Huh?
One more thing for you.
Oh, I gotta go back and get something else.
I know it's something
I
big.
love
I
that
know
bag.
It's something big. I know it's something big. I know it's
That's it. That's the stuff there.
something big.
What's that
Oh,
note? What's that
look
note
how
for you?
cute it is.
It's our first.
I'm going to Disney World.
It's real. It's real. You're really going for your birthday. It's true. It's real.
That's why you won't be at school tomorrow, dear.
You're going tomorrow. Yep, right away. That's why you're not going to school tomorrow. It's real.
I'm going to Disney World.
For a whole week. On an airplane.
On an airplane.
It's real. Yay.